Hi everyone, it's Gillian here. Popped in to share with you what I've done with day 8 of the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020 challenge by Cara and Dearjuliejulie. Today I'm using the two sheets together. I've made like a journal pages from another envelope. So I've used quite a big envelope, which I've decorated on all sides using layers of the tea-dyed paper, the vintage music paper, two different vintage book pages, or maybe three as the back on here. So going through from the front, you can see I've backed this image with some of the doily that I've said to you, it's definitely vintage and it might even be antique. I haven't got much of it left now, so I'm pleased to have been using it because I'm sure I'm not alone, but I'm terrible for just kind of hoarding things, thinking they're lovely but they're too beautiful to cut up. But to be honest, it's better cut up and admired on here than just stuck in a drawer. That's my view anyway. So then I've put a little bit of paper doily behind this image of the bird, a tiny bit of craft paper there, another image there, a flower image from the kit, and then I've glued on that music symbol charm. On here I've layered with the special delivery, and then this piece of, I think it's called grosgrain ribbon when it's quite thick with like a ribbing to it. I've got an opening here for the envelope, that end, and I've got an opening here. And in both of those, I intend to put some different papers, like tea-dyed papers, lined papers, papers that can be used for journaling. On this page, I've made a pocket with one of the postcards from today, added this lovely flower image here, done a bit of layering on top of the music paper with this other flower image, this image here, put the bingo card inside, the journaling. You know, it all goes together so well because Julie and Cara made sure that their days complemented each other. I think, from what I can make out, that they made them quite separately, but then decided how to put them together afterwards. On this page, I've decoupaged these beautiful robins from a Christmas napkin. I just think the colour obviously goes so well, and I really like the way with the decoupaged napkins, how we can then still see the what's underneath them through them as well. So I was very happy with that. And then on the back, more layering using the different images, layering them up. And then I was really pleased with this metal, kind of almost like a little frame. I cut out one of the this smaller image from one of the Father Christmas images, popped it into there, and then covered it with glossy accents to make it look like a photo really. And then this again is a piece of that vintage antique lace behind it. So again, I was very happy. I thought that made a really nice spread. So that's sort of all four sides were decorated. And then in addition to that, not particularly necessarily for this page, maybe to put somewhere else, or I might pop it into one of these, with the 3 what look like Victorian Christmas cards, I've just literally folded them together. I backed them this time on avocado stained paper. Just for a bit of variety, I've used loads and loads of tea stained paper in here, but I thought that colour went really, really well with these images. And I've literally just used some glittery washi tape and put them together like that. So all the backs of all 3 of them can be used for journaling. And so that would be nice, I think, to just pop into one of the pockets in the envelope, in the journal. So there, that's my day 8, which was great fun to put together. See you for day 9. Take care. Bye.